Hey everybody, so today is all about the lips for my P&G Everyday resolution. It's one of those things that, I have my morning beauty routine down. I could almost do it blindfolded now, but when it comes to really giving myself something, just doing that little extra something that's different for myself, I don't do that very often, especially when it comes to my beauty routine. So today, I am making the resolution to starting to wear new colors. So that is going to be my thing today. I'm going to bring out some brand new colors and I'm going to have some fun with my lips. Now, I am one of those people that always amps up my eyes. That is my go-to when it comes to, if I'm heading out, you always know I have mascara on, eyeshadow, a little bit of liner, but other than that, that's really all I do to amp things up and to make my face look a little bit different. But today, I want to try some lipstick colors. Now, I am one of those people that always goes with sheer. I never go with like a dark red or maybe like a purple or even a pink. But since it's the summer, and since I have a little bit of a glow on me, which is exactly what happens in the summer. This is not actually from the sun. I love to bronze myself up a bit. I wanted to go with a different color. So today I am trying, this is CoverGirl's, this is Lip Perfection, and I am going to try the color Verve. This is number 370. It is an actual pink. Now this is one of those colors that I would never go near in the winter because I don't feel, I'm very pale in the winter and I don't feel like I could pull this off at all in the winter. But you know what? It's June. I want to try something different. I want to bring in some pinks because pink is a very hot color right now for the summer of 2012. And again, this is the color Verve, and I have been admiring this for a long time, and I'm going to wear it today. I have my blue shirt on, so I feel like it will blend well, but I'm going to pop this on, and what I love too about the Lip Perfection is that it's going to stay on all day. So I love the CoverGirl lip colors. Now this is different. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's a very different look for me. Again, you can see that I have eye makeup on right now, and this actually enhances my lips much different than I've ever done before. And I think it matches this color, this navy blue on my shirt perfectly. So this is my resolution today. I am going to pop this Verve right into my pocketbook. Again, this is the Lip Perfection CoverGirl, and I'm loving it. Ooh, I like it. Mwah!